So sorry I haven't been putting much out lately, but thought I'd do a little Mustang update video. And Buddy says like and subscribe. Isn't that right, buddy? So yeah, I got the new battery in if you want to go and check that video out. We got a Group 65 in there. And this thing probably hasn't run, it's probably been a week. So I am gonna test the battery real quick, just to see how it's holding up. My preliminary tests are showing me that that battery drain that I had, I don't know if I ever talked about that, but when I had my computer redone by the EFI guy, look at that, 12.82, and this thing's been sitting for a week. So yeah, I think it's safe to say that whatever parasitic drain I had going on was cured by having the capacitors redone in my original 89 LX Mustang computer. So that's encouraging. So but basically what I want to do today, I think I'm just going to pop off my idle air control valve and maybe try to clean it and just see what happens. Because it's doing this thing lately where it'll idle up like really high, but it's not all the time. And so anyway, I've never messed with this thing before. So as far as I know, it's original to 1989. Car's got 260K on it. So yeah, let's look at it, take a look. And this came from a subscriber, Viking Eric. You can check out his channel. He's got a lot of shorts on small engines and stuff. And he's got some of those Mustangs on there too. I'll put a link to him in the description. All right, so removing it was literally 2 8mm bolts. And here's the part. Oh, and pull your plug there. So we'll look inside a little bit. I don't really know what it's supposed to look like or if this is really bad. But yeah, let's have a look in there. And I do not have a new gasket for this, so for now, I guess I'll just be putting it back on with this gasket. But what I'm thinking about doing, let's go out in sunlight. What I'm thinking about doing is hitting this with Amsoil Power Foam, which is the intake cleaner. I don't know if we can get a good shot there with the sunlight, but I think that's what I'm gonna try, and then we'll see. Yeah, on closer inspection, this thing looks pretty gnarly inside. Like it's definitely got some caked on carbon and stuff. So I'm gonna try to clean it. All right, so guys, I'm not telling you to do this. I figure I might have to replace this thing anyway. But the suggestion was to try to clean it. So and this is the Amsoil Power Foam. It's a intake throttle body type cleaner, and we've done a couple videos on the channel on my Honda, and works good. But alright, so we'll basically just kind of see what that does, bolt it back on after a few minutes. Alright, bolted back on, plugged back in, And I didn't get it spotless. I just want to see if this makes a difference, then I'll know I can either clean it further or order a new one, or, you know, just to see if this is going to have an effect on the issue. We'll go ahead and fire it up, but that's that cleaner that I introduced is definitely going to, you know, affect things until it, you know, burns off and everything. So anyway, right, buddy? Right? Okay. All right, got some real harsh shadows here from the sun, but see how she starts. Seems better. Remember, this thing is 1989, 260,000 miles, hasn't run in a week. Yeah, we're just easing out here. Well, I'm already impressed. I could probably adjust my idle set screw down if I wanted to, but if it'll idle good here, I might just leave it. I'm going to drive it later. Hanging up a little there, and then it drops. So yeah, we might be on to something. Clean this thing a little better. First of the days from Isaiah 55. Seek the Lord while he may be found. Call upon him while he is near. Let the wicked forsake his way, and the unrighteous man his thoughts. Let him return to the Lord, and he will have compassion on him, and to our God, for he will abundantly pardon. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, nor are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. For as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts. For as the rain and the snow come down from heaven, and do not return there without watering the earth, and making it bear and sprout, and furnishing seed to the sower and bread to the eater, so will my word be, which goes forth from my mouth. It will not return to me empty, without accomplishing what I desire, and without succeeding in the matter for which I sent it.
Really fast.
Yeah.
You should do that.
Okay. Car seems to be running better, not doing the super fast idle. And Rosie wants to get on it just a little bit, so we might just have to test how it runs. Oh, not do the car wash? It seems pretty good.